Today we about to do headlights on this Impala. This is a 07. I think it's 06 to 2013 or some shit, or the newer ones. Same process. As you see, dirty, not dirty, but you see the chrome? Shit's peeling. And look at the whole headlight. I think it looked like somebody tried to clear coat it or something, but I guess they didn't sand it down. They're just trying to spray it. But anyways, that thing's peeling off. See that? This side is okay. It's just the lens. I would just, refreshen it up, put some clear coat and good, but bruh, the other side is messed up. Can't do that. So I'm gonna change just both of them. 2 seconds. Alright? You just need 2 tools. Well, not 2 tools, but you need 1 socket and your hands. That's it. Alright, so now this is a 7 mil. You gotta take this off over here. Okay. Then use your hand, just pop this up. That's it. Now all you gotta do, pull this out. Like so. And there you go. Let's get the new one and just swap it over. These are the headlights. Order that online. Open these up. Same chrome ones. So I can get nothing fancy. Okay. Size. I know you want to. People don't want to see me taking this out, but you gotta see everything. Everything. Take this out of here. I need that. More. But this is the aftermarket stuff, so it's not gonna be like OEM. It looks just like OEM though, to be honest. You see? It's the same headlight, driver headlight. Everything matches in the rear. Just gotta swap over the bulbs. It's the only thing I'll swap over. So let's do that. If so, no, let me check. Sometimes these be coming with bulbs. Oh yeah, see? No bulb. How about this one? Let's see. Okay, no bulb. Okay. So we gotta swap the bulbs over. This bulb don't work. I might have to get another bulb. It's burnt out. It's real burnt out. Yeah. Looks good, but yeah, it's burnt out. You see? One side is blacker than the other. It's burnt out. Okay. Now let's take the other ones and just swap them over. It's gonna be a little tough because it's old ass headlight and a lot of dirt and debris going in there. So twist it out. Put it in your new one and twist it back how it was. So you could connect it first, but I already did this. Alright. Oh, you got one of these. It's not like this one. You see? It's only one way you could connect it. You got one of these. You could turn them. You gotta keep. Oh, clearly this is ground. So it probably goes like this. Let me do that. All right, so I plugged it in first, then I put it on. I'm gonna have to double check that because I don't know. I don't feel like it's gonna turn on, but it should turn on. Positive is usually on the left side. All right, so twist it tight. Now let's do this one. Okay. This off, twist it off. If you really want to see what I did, this is what I did. I took this out. Green should be power. Power is usually on the left side. All I did was plug it in like so. Oh, it goes a certain way. Look, you see there's a little thing in there. Little line in the middle. It should go in the middle of this, so it goes like this way. To put it on. All right, so let's do that. Let's put that in there. All right. Clicked in both sides. Now Let's pop this in. All right. This cap on. All right, so you get the point of this. Just twist it back. Okay, so we're gonna look inside my bulb storage and see if I have this bulb. This bulb is what is this? 3157. See if I got that. Oh, see if I got that. I think so, right here. Yep, 3157. The only problem is it's gonna be white instead of orange, so I might have to go buy one. Yeah, go buy one. Shit. Oh wait. Oh nope, found one. There you go. So since we still got the old one in, I'm gonna just test the parking light real quick, see if that works. Yes sir, it works. All right. Oh, I'm gonna put that in there instead of the white one. Now we're gonna take these bulbs and swap them over. The parking light. I already put this down. Take the bulbs, swap them over. This is the T10. This shit was burnt out, so I'm gonna put a new one. All right, once you put that T10 in bulb, already plugged in with the factory connector. Put those. No, now all you gotta do is put it back, pretty much. Same way it came out. Put it back. Make sure it's aligned correctly. Make sure these go in here and push this side in. Okay. Should be flush. Make sure this is flush in there. Tighten this up. And get your slide pin and just slide this down. Up like this. Go like that. Gotta put this in top here. Like that. Make sure it's lined up and just push down. Wow. Alright. It's not coming out. Now let's do the other side. Same process. Same process with this one. It's gonna be a little quicker now since we know what we're doing. Okay. Oh, 7 mil. Okay, take this off. Pop this out. Like so. And you can take this connector off. Pop the caps off. Take the bowls, put another one. Here's the new one. Pop these off. Pop that off. Okay. Oh no, it's starting to rain. No. Switch this off since it has a different connector. Pop. Alright, now put this one on. Okay. Now I put everything in here, all the bulbs and everything, so this side was a little quicker. So I put everything back, connector, everything. Now slide it in. Alright. Take this. Okay, squeeze that in there. Make sure it's flush. Tighten. And get your slider. Line it up and just slide down. That's it. You are done. Make sure you check both lights, signals, parking light, make sure they all work. Alright, later.